Stoichiometry is the mathematical relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. This relationship is given by the ratio of reactants and products, which are given by the coefficient. The coefficients could be interpreted as 3 hydrogen molecules react with 1 nitrogen molecule, producing 2 ammonia molecules, but reactions occur with vast amounts of particles, so coefficients give the ratio that occurs in the reaction process. No matter how many particles are reacting, the reaction maintains that 3:1:2 ratio. The last line gives that ratio in moles, and so the coefficients can be thought of as molar ratios. The central part of a stoichiometric calculation is using that coefficient ratio. How many moles of nitrogen are needed to react with 7.5 moles of hydrogen? 7.5 moles of hydrogen is given, so we start with that and multiply by a fraction with the given unit on bottom so that it cancels wanted unit on top, and use that coefficient ratio. We can now see that 2.5 moles of nitrogen are needed to react with 7.5 moles of hydrogen. 7.5 to 2.5 is a 3:1 nitrogen to hydrogen ratio. The calculation can be mapped more generally using A as the amount given and B as the amount wanted. Because counting particles requires mass, we can extend this calculation to mass using molar mass. If 50 grams of nitrogen react, what mass of ammonia is produced? We will follow the extended map with nitrogen, the given amount, and ammonia, the wanted amount, and get their molar masses from the periodic table. We start with nitrogen, multiply by a fraction with the given unit in the denominator so that it cancels, and use the molar mass of nitrogen to get 1.79 moles of nitrogen, which is now used for the central calculation with the coefficient ratio, and find that 1.2 moles of NH3 is produced. The last calculation converts that amount to grams using ammonia's molar mass. We can see that 50 grams of nitrogen react, 20.4 grams of ammonia is produced. This calculation is called mass-to-mass stoichiometry and requires 1, 2, 3 steps to complete. These calculations can more efficiently be put into a chain, and if the units all cancel correctly, leaving the wanted unit, then you have set it up correctly. Please click the link to see my longer, slower video on stoichiometry with examples. See ya.